Alright, since the fourth John Wick movie just recently came out, I thought it would be a good idea for me to do like a customized 2011 pistol for the fourth John Wick movie. Like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. Check out my DeviantArt. For some people that are new and probably see me for the first time, it's where I post. It's a digital online art gallery where I post all my stuff. So if you guys don't mind, check it out. The link is down below. Baba Yaga, aka Jhon Wick. He's a bad man. I remember when Migos made a song about him, man. That song was pretty wicked dope though. Man, I love the John Wick movies. The John Wick movies are the way I view John Wick, thinking about it, really, well, I've really thought about it. I guess he's my generation, or Gen Z's version of James Bond, Bond. James Bond. Okay, I know I'm probably, well, no I'm not really that old. But I know that, what was it? Okay, some people in my generation probably don't know who James Bond is nowadays. But, hey, New generation. New generation means a lot of people don't know stuff. But yeah, I did kind of view John Wick as my generation's James Bond now. Okay, honestly the John Wick movies the John Wick movies are really good. Again, my generation's James Bond. Okay, I love what happened in the third movie though. Okay, spoilers alert. This one had, the third movie had Holly Berry in it, and it kind of had to deal with John, getting kicked out of Continental. Man, I'm just ready to see, the fourth John Wick movie. I want to see what happens next. I've heard that, John Wick's dad is going to be in that movie. Keanu, you are an action hero legend, man. An action hero legend. Along with Arnold Schwarzenegger, Sylvester Stallone, Bruce Willis. Let's see, who else? Let's see. I think... Okay, I cannot think about any other action hero, but he's my generation's action hero. I guess he's wait, let's see, The Rock. Okay, point is, Keanu, great work, man. Great acting, great fight scenes, great everything, man. To be honest with you guys, this is kind of unnormal for me though. Normally, once it comes to me doing my gun drawings, or normally doing my drawing videos, I normally don't talk to him. I don't really talk once it comes to him that much. The last time I remember talking once it comes to to any of my gun videos, okay, in case you guys don't know, I do YouTube videos on how to draw guns and stuff, or how I draw them really. So that way, anywho, I'll leave a playlist, I'll link it up right here, right now. Anywho, I mean, it kind of does feel weird, though, talking again. The last time I remember talking, while doing this again, I think it was, let's see. From what I remember, I think it was a Scarface video. Say hello to my little friend. That's Scarface, with Al Pacino, or Al Pacino. I can never pronounce the actor's name right, though. But the movie was really iconic, though, in my honest opinion. Like the animation, guys? That was me. Alright, I had my fun. Guys, I'm trying to reach my goal to like get like 1,000 subscribers. So if you guys don't mind, like, share, subscribe, follow me on my Instagram, DeviantArt, everything is linked down below. Alright, John Wick, he's a bad man. M3 Bullet, out.